Hi, welcome to the channel. In this video I'm going to do a tutorial on how to play the intro and the verse part to My Immortal by Evanescence. I'll cover the other sections in another video just to avoid it being a really long video and so you're able to learn it thoroughly in bite-sized chunks. So we're going to start with the left hand first actually. So if you have the handspan, you're going to pop your little finger on A, your second finger on E, and your thumb on the A above that one. So we've referenced to where that is from middle C, so that's there. So it's the A just below middle C, A, E, A. If you can't stretch that, just play this instead, and that will still sound really good. So we're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's do that again. So it's A, E, A, E, A, E, A, E. And then it's going to move to this position. So same shape. So we have C sharps as the octaves, if you can, and then with a G sharp in the middle. Again, if you can't stretch the octave, just play that instead. So we're going to do 8 counts of those as well. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then it goes back down to that position again. A, so now let's look at the right hand. So again, you're going to be in a wide space position. You don't need to be able to play an octave, but you'll have to treble to an octave. So we're going to go C sharp, E, A, E, C sharp, E, A, E. So let's try that again. And then the next section goes C sharp, E, G sharp, E, C sharp, E, G sharp, E. So the only difference there was changing the A to a G sharp. So altogether we have and then the next part goes C sharp, E, A, E, B, E, A, B, and then C sharp, E, G sharp, E, C sharp. And then that's the end of that section. So let's join that second bit together again. So now let's try putting that to the left hand from the beginning. So it's a fairly simple one to put together because both notes are in each hand are being played at the same time. So like this, I'm going to do it really super slow. And then you're going to move up to there. It's going to move back to the A's again. And back up to C sharps. So in the intro, the left hand is actually just doing that. And then it doesn't actually fill out with more notes until she's singing, until the verse. So let's try just doing that. So going. that'll be the intro, and then the verse. And then into the bridge again, which I have done in another video, which I've linked the other parts in the description below to follow on from this one. That's it for this tutorial. I hope that's been helpful. Let me know if you have any questions down below, and I'll see you in part 2. Bye bye.